Hi, Joey. Drive your car. Oh, where are you going? Maggie? Joey's taking your toy. That's your toy. Here, Maggie. You can have your toy. You and your Maggie. You gonna do your car again? Oh, goody. Here, let's adjust your car. Fix it. The shoe's in the way.
He can't see the shoe. Go around it. There you go.
Honk honk. Honk honk. Beep beep.
U-turn.
We are moving the car pretty ferociously in whatever direction we need it to be in. Hi, you gonna walk to me? Oh, good.